How to reset fifth, third bank password. Hello everybody. If you'd like to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. You may basically go ahead and access the website, which is fifth third bank of the fifth third bank or even the application. Once you are here, in order to reset, you need to look out for the login page. For that, find the login option on your web page or the app and tap on it. It is located in top right corner for the website. And once you are there, you will be taken to the page where you can use your credentials in order to log in, like your user ID and your password. So if you've forgotten your password, what we can do is basically look out for the option called forgot login, forgot password, something like that. We have that option right below the login button. Tap on it and you will be taken to the next step for resetting your password. So you just need to head over and provide in your last name here. After that, your social security number, and right below it, the zip code and your account or card number. Once that is done, tap on next and follow up the process to reset your password. And that way, you can reset your fifth, third bank password very easily. Once it is reset, you can basically go ahead to the login page again and enter up your user ID and right below it, password, and then that's it. So if you'd also like to reset your third bank password, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.